Hi guys, it's Ray. We have an unboxing today. This company reached out to me and asked me if I'd like to try something. And I said, yes, absolutely. I love trying new things. And this is a new old thing. We have similar product, but the company is, and I don't know how to say this, AKEYDY, I don't know, AKEDIY. That is how it is spelled. And this is from their Amazon shop. And I am super excited about this one. And I hope it works beautifully. So let's get this outer box open and see if there's an inner box. Okay. Multifunctional portable mug press user manual. So this shows all sizes up to 30 ounce aluminum pot cups can be made. So this is another tumbler heat press, different style than we've had before. So we will read through all the directions before we use it to make sure we do everything right. This came with the coated heat resistant gloves. It came with sublimation paper, and I'm gonna get it out of the box. Oh, and one more thing, it came with a roll of heat tape, skinny roll. So beautiful. And I of course absolutely love the color on this one. So I am very excited to try this. Burn hazard, hot surface, don't touch. So, and this is one of those like suitcase clip style ones. I don't know exactly where it clips in though. Oh, right here. And that's how it opens. And I actually really like how wide this one opens. I've seen ones like this that only open like part way in the front and you're sliding them in and out. Not with this one. This is actually going to attach here. And the power source is going to plug in over here. So you plug that in and tighten this down. And then the power cord would go in the other side. And that is literally your setup. So I'm going to tip this down. This is the settings on this one, and it pushes and turns. So I'm sure that is how we're going to set everything. Temperature display, Fahrenheit, centigrade, countdown, start button. Seems simple. So this seems fairly straightforward. Troubleshooting. I was wondering if it had a guide, but I don't see a... I don't see a press setting guide was what I was looking for. So I'm going to plug this in. Okay, so before I plug it in, I ran and got a sublimation tumbler because This one is going to adjust on the back for pressure. And I tend to only use 20-ounce skinnies in a tumbler press because that's what I can print for. So, and you do want fairly tight pressure, and this actually feels like the pressure is already set for a 20-ounce skinny, but this is how you would adjust it. Oops. By rotating those screws. You don't want it so tight that you can't close it, but you don't want it loose where your cup's going to flop around. So that's actually going to be perfect. I'm going to close it back up. And we're going to turn it so you can see the front, hopefully. And we're going to, together, work through how this works. So I'm going to plug this in. I didn't plug it in yet because I don't know if it's going to come right on or not. Standard beep. Okay, so I right now have just a... Okay, so my video cut out on me, so that was cute. But once it's plugged in, you turn it on, and to set your heat setting, you turn it clockwise. And hopefully you can see that it is changing. And once you get it where you wanted, you just push the button. If you want to turn it back down, once you're in the temperature setting change, you just turn it back down. And to change your timing, you rotate it counterclockwise. And then if you want to turn your time down, you turn it down or you turn it up. And then short press on your power button and it will come up to temp. And I already had this up to temp once. I thought I was recording and it cut out. So heat presses typically smell when they're new. This one does have a slight new odor to it, but nothing major. So now it is beeping that it is ready. And probably should have gotten to that point now. Insert a mug and close the clamp by pulling forward on the pressing handle. Place the weeded design on your blank, blah, blah, blah. So my question becomes, how do I know it's counting down? Okay. So now I have it counting down, so that would be good. It tells you how to prepare your thing. Okay, so you short press the power button to start the countdown. And I can stop it by short pressing again. And then I would open, turn my tumbler with the heat resistant glove on. And then repeat. And it's actually really, really simple. This is so much less complex than my other tumbler press. So that is our introduction to this beautiful machine. I love the size of it. I love the color of it. Hopefully the color's coming through on camera because she is cute. I'm going to see if I can power her off. Hold the power button down long to shut it off. But she is cute. Definitely warm on top. Don't put your fingers in there. So yeah, this is the AKEYDY Hopefully somebody can tell me how to pronounce this properly. This is their portable, multifunctional portable mug press. So I am currently working on rearranging my space, but before I do my final move of my printers, I'm going to get some wraps cut, and we're going to get some tumblers wrapped, and we are going to test this out. I am going to double check what settings I preferred on my other press to see where I want to start here, because there's generally a little bit of play in your timing. So I'm going to do that, get some wraps pressed, and we will do a whole nother video on this actually in action. But so far I am really impressed. I think I'm really going to like the pressure and the output and the simple ease of use. Whether it will hold my settings when I unplug it or not, who knows? Some do, some don't. So that is it. Thank you so much, AKEYDY DIY, for sending me this to try out. I will put a link to this machine on Amazon down below, and in the next couple days we will get another video up using it. So thank you so very much.